Hello and welcome to another Notes in Spanish video. I'm Ben and I'm here with...
Marina, ¿qué tal, Ben? ¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien, ¿tú qué tal?
Yo, fenomenal.
Me alegro mucho.
Muy bien.
Today we're going to look at a single word, but it's a word that we love very much because it's a food that we love very much, and it is...
Huevos.
Huevos, eggs. Now why? Because I heard this way of cooking eggs the other day for the first time, and it was such a lovely word that I just wanted to share it, because when you find a lovely word in Spanish, you have to relish it and enjoy it. So Marina, how do you say it in Spanish?
He doesn't know how to say it yet.
I'm still practicing. It's quite tricky. So Marina, how do you say in Spanish poached eggs?
Huevos escalfados.
Huevos escalfados.
Great.
I got it. Escalfado. Doesn't it just sound sort of delicate and velvety, just like the actual result itself? So I thought while we were looking at huevos escalfados, we could have a quick rundown on all the different kinds of eggs, because they're all wonderful. So Marina, fried egg.
Huevo frito.
This is actually an English exam for Marina as well, because she has to know in Spanish what I say in
know
English.
the subject.
So huevo frito, scrambled eggs.
Huevo revuelto.
Hard-boiled egg.
Huevo duro.
Soft-boiled egg.
Huevo pasado por agua.
I love that. It's just we pass the egg through water and we have a lovely soft-boiled egg. Huevo pasado por agua.
Broken eggs.
Broken eggs.
Yeah.
We don't say broken eggs in English because we don't really eat this in English, but we should because it's amazing. What is it in Spanish?
Yeah. It's a Spanish speciality where you have chips or any kind of fried potato, maybe some ham and 2 or several fried eggs on top, and then you mix it all up. You break the eggs, los rompes.
And in Spanish you call it?
Huevos rotos.
Eso es, huevos rotos. Okay, we're going to finish quickly with...
We are missing one.
What?
Omelette.
Omelette. Oh my goodness. Well, claro, tortilla.
Tortilla.
But the funny thing in Spain is you have 2 kinds of tortilla. You have tortilla de patata, which is the one which is kind of thick and it's got potato in it and onion.
Spanish type tortilla.
Spanish omelette. But then we also have the kind of omelette that when you just kind of beat up a single egg or 2 and it's very thin and it's just egg, which is called?
Tortilla francesa.
A French omelette. Yeah, tortilla francesa. Now, well, we're going to finish with a bit of real Spanish slang from here in Spain that you might enjoy for huevos. There's quite a few slang words with huevos that we can't mention because they're not entirely everybody friendly, but you can look those up if you like. But one that you can all use, I think, is if I want to say to Marina, she's been to the shops, and I say, you've taken a really long time, what could I say?
Has tardado un huevo. But
Right.
don't use that with your boss or...
Okay, so it's pretty slang.
It's pretty slang.
Okay,
Yeah.
has tardado un huevo. You've taken an egg. Well, we hope you enjoyed this short monothematic podcast. That's a podcast video. That's another monothematic. I'm taking that straight from the Spanish. How do you say that?
Monotematico.
This has been Monotematico, all about eggs. And remember, come over to Notes in Spanish, where we have real Spanish conversations, where we talk about real life subjects for beginners, intermediate, advanced. For beginners, of course, we've got all of the grammar and so on that you need to really advance with your Spanish too. So check that out, listen to our podcasts, find everything at notesinspanish.com.
Hasta luego, Ben.
Hasta luego. I was going to say, hasta un huevo.